I'm going to show you the most efficient way to answer the first question of a logic game. Sound interesting? Then just keep watching. There are two ways to find the correct answer. The obvious way is to create a diagram. The less obvious way is to eliminate the 4 wrong answer choices. So how do you eliminate the 4 wrong answer choices? Most LSAT takers don't know what I'm about to show you, but there is a technique called rule violator answer elimination. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's easy to use. When you use this technique, you won't need to diagram the first question of the game. To follow along with this example, pause this video and download sample number 1 from getprepped.com/video. If you can't download that sample game, you can use any official LSAT that you have. Once you have the game in front of you, restart the video. The way this technique works is that you take each rule and find one answer choice that violates the rule. You can then cross off that answer choice. Then repeat this with the next rule. With practice, you'll be able to find the correct answer in 30 seconds or less. I'll go slower today so that you can see how it works. Watch how simple this technique is. Let's start with the first rule. That rule says that A is later than C. In the answer choices, A always has to be later than C. So when you find the answer choice where A is not later than C, you should cross it off. Let's look at the 5 answer choices for question number 1. Here's C and here's A, so this choice is okay. Here's C and here's A, so this choice is okay as well. Then here's A and then C. This is not okay. This is the wrong order, so you should cross this answer choice off. Now I circled A and C for instructional purposes, but you won't do that on the tests, since that would just slow you down. Moving on to the second rule, E is either first or last. We want to see E either at the beginning or end of the answer choice. Look at the remaining 4 answer choices. E is first, E is last, E is last, E is somewhere in the middle. So we can cross this one off. Move on to the next rule. Y begins immediately after X ends. So you want to see an X-Y progression. For the first answer choice, we see a Y-X progression. This is wrong, so we can cross it off. Finally, use the 4th rule. It says that either C or A must be third. Check the 2 remaining answer choices. Here, A is third, so that's okay. Here, neither C nor A is third, so that's wrong. Cross it off. So we used these 4 rules to eliminate 4 answer choices. By process of elimination, we discovered that the correct answer is B. With a little practice, you'll be able to find the correct answer in 30 seconds or less. Doing a diagram usually takes about 60 to 90 seconds, and you are more likely to make an error. So that's why this technique is superior. The lesson you should take away from this video is that the first question in most games, you should use the rule violator answer elimination technique to quickly eliminate the 4 wrong answer choices.